friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour, last 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the Theta network, what's the high price of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3K subscriber. I need your support. Please kindly support me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see what's the price change occur in a Theta network. Let's see the price prediction of Theta network of the previous 2 hour. First of all, we see the 2 hour result of Theta network. Oh my god, oh my godness, what's going on in the Theta network? As you can see here, the chart tells us that they fast down in the previous 2 hour again and again. Now currently they are in the fast. As you can see here, the change is also in negative because they are falling down in the previous 2 hour continuously. As you can see here, the changes is negative 7.7% occur in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Theta network is about $13.27. Is the high price of Theta network in the previous last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the price prediction occur in the last 1 hour in the Theta network. Let's see the 1 hour price prediction of Theta network. As you can see here, in the previous last 1 hour they are start jumping upward, moving upward, as you can see here, but unfortunately they again falls down, and now currently they are start jumping, but currently situation they are in neutral. As you can see here, they are not goes up, not goes down. As you can see here, they are not goes up, not goes down. So maybe they are goes up in the future, maybe they are goes down in the future. We can't say about this. Now if we see the changes of Theta network in the last 1 hour, so the changes is about positive 0.12% occur in the Theta network in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Theta network is about $12.46 is the high price of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour. So please share your opinion in a comment box, as is the best time to buy or sell or hold of Theta network. Please share your opinion in a comment box. As you can see here, that is the live price projection of 2 hour, 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.